Wishing all of you a happy and prosperous 2020. 2019 was the year of central banks. During the year, the central banks cut rates many times across the world, including India, and it helped the markets to do well, although economies did not recover in the year 2019. As we start 2020, we are in an interesting period where markets are neither cheap in equity nor are they costly in equity. Neither are interest rates very low nor are interest rates high. So we are right in the middle at this point of time in key asset classes like equity and debt. So what do we do when we are in the middle? Clearly, asset allocation is one of the best ways for the middle. So we have three interesting ways to do asset allocation. One is a product like ICICI Prudential Balanced Advantage Fund. Second is a product like ICICI Prudential Multi-Asset Fund, which can also invest in gold. And third is a product ICICI Prudential Asset Allocator Fund of Fund. So these three models of investing can be considered for people doing asset allocation. On the other hand, if you look at SIPs, is a very good long-term way to invest, and SIPs in categories which are cheap are the best ways for long-term investing. Debt mutual funds is an evergreen asset class, and we believe that the middle of the road products like ICICI Prudential All Seasons Bond Fund is an interesting way to invest for the medium term in debt. However, when we look at asset classes, while the overall valuation of the asset classes is in the middle, there is wide divergence at this point of time within the asset class. So if you look at equities, you see a massive divergence between value, special situation, and growth quality. Within equity, clearly again there is a massive divergence between small cap and large cap. In the last 2 years, small cap index has underperformed large cap by almost 30%. So within the equity space, there are a lot of scope for long-term patient investors. One is clearly in the value category through products like ICICI Prudential Value Discovery Fund. There are a lot of special situations which emerge in such volatile markets, leading to opportunities for ICICI Prudential India Opportunities Fund. On the other hand, the wide divergences in the valuations of small cap and large cap gives opportunity for long-term patient investors both in ICICI Prudential Small Cap Fund and ICICI Prudential Multi-Cap Fund. In debt as well, there is a wide divergence between GSEC AAA and the rest. This gives us opportunity for long-term investing in products like ICICI Prudential Credit Risk Fund, which focuses on accrual, and ICICI Prudential Medium Term Bond Fund, which also focuses on accrual. So I would say along with all these opportunities, SIPs represents one of the best ways to invest. We started a campaign around Diwali saying Ye Diwali, SIP Diwali campaign in 2018, and followed up in 2019 with a campaign saying every Diwali is an SIP opportunity. We think that the long-term investors, SIPs work well, and we think goal-based investing for the long term through products like ICICI Prudential Freedom SIP is the way to start 2020 with. Thank you all. Happy investing.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.